Hi, I'm Tom. I'm working in the education industry,
Hi, I'm 𝐂𝐨𝐦𝐿. So I work in the healthcare industry.
and we are a family of three, and we just very recently moved into this three-bedder private apartment. We're inspired by the Japanese Zen style and wanted to add a touch of it to complement a modern, timeless look for our home. We sought warm tones and earthy texture to create a peaceful ambience that we could look forward to coming home to after a chaotic day at work. The challenge was not to make our house feel too earthy, which might look bland over time. So we worked closely with our 𝐈𝐧𝐭𝐞𝐫𝐢 to ensure a distinct signature statement at strategic corners to enhance the overall design.
The positive Google reviews of Comfort Home played an important role in our decision to engage their services, as we wanted to avoid the horror stories that many have experienced with home renovation. The reviews consistently highlighted Comfort Home's responsive, responsible, and respectful IDs who go the extra mile to bring their clients' dream homes to fruition.
We are very thankful to have Sherman as our ID, as he was able to conceptualize our vision well with his expertise and offered valuable advice that enhanced the aesthetics and functionality of our design. Our initial consultation with Aaron was also a key reason for choosing Comfort Home. Aaron was down to earth, friendly, honest, and empathetic to our views, making us feel assured and comfortable right from the start. His confidence in his team without being boastful won us over. Working with Sherman, who is similar to Aaron, was a wonderful experience. He scheduled the work according to our timeline, yet was flexible enough to make adjustments when needed. Sherman was always responsive and respectful in his communications, showing patience and empathy when answering our endless questions. He often went the extra mile to ensure issues were rectified.
We're very satisfied with the final outcome, as Aaron and Sherman stayed true to their words. The house looked at least 90% like the conceptualized 3D design. The workmanship and quality of materials were excellent, especially the carpentry. The shoji door and curved island tabletop in the kitchen were stand-up features, with exceptional workmanship that brought our dream kitchen to life. The niche areas were also very well done, adding a unique touch to the overall design.
Favorite parts of the house are the kitchen and master bedroom, where the most effort was invested. The kitchen transformed from a small basic area into an open concept space that combines functionality with Zen-like beauty. It connects seamlessly to the living room, giving the whole space a spacious and welcoming look. The most significant piece in the kitchen is the shoji door, which gives the space a Japanese Zen feel while serving its function of segregating the service yard and kitchen. The workmanship of the door was delicate and precise, exactly how we wanted it. The master bedroom is our sanctuary, designed to achieve the ambience of a luxurious hotel room. The window bay area provides a relaxing vibe and a quiet spot for reading, while the fluted panel adds a unique texture to the earthy tones of the bedroom. It also helps that we can adjust the lighting to our preference, especially when winding down after a long day.